Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to paint the Tesla brake calipers to this nice bright red color. Next, we're going to jack up the car and remove the wheels. Okay, next thing we're going to do is clean it first, the brake caliper. I'm using alcohol right here, just 70% alcohol, just spraying it and getting it clean. You can also use brake cleaner, obviously, but this car is actually pretty new, so just using alcohol and rinsing it twice like this will get it clean enough for us to prepare the surface for painting. Okay, we're ready to paint. Just want to show you the paint that we are using. We are using Rust Oleum Caliper paint. This is available on Amazon for about $11, $10.99 or something like that. I have also one that is older. It looks like this, or the newer one that looks like this. They're both the same paint, same color. I have the link in the description, by the way. All right, so make sure, obviously, you shake it really well for a couple of minutes and just start painting. Alright, so I'm putting the last and final coat. This is the third coat for this red paint. And as you can see, it's pretty thick in there. Up to a point where it's almost dripping, but not quite. I know you see possibly a lot of bumps. I don't know if you can see that. But it's actually the die cast itself that is not smooth, not the actual paint actually. And that's it. Okay, so we got the caliper painted here. Just want to give you an example. It's not 100% dry yet, but as you can see, it's a big difference. So this is just caliper paint, cosmetic only. Did not take it off, just painted it over it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.